Good day, everyone. We are now here in Wilson College in Oxford University to present Kaita. Kaita is a project of Chogyal Namkhai Norbu that most probably many of you know as a Dzogchen master and is a Tibetan scholar. In 2011, he started collecting Tibetan songs and dances, and so far we have almost 400 songs and 250 dances.
Chogyal Namkhai Norbu, he gave two main reasons for the Kaita project, and the first one is the preservation of Tibetan culture. The second one is the promotion of presence and awareness and kind of an overall harmony in life. And the first reason, so the preservation of Tibetan culture, was really important to him, not just because he is Tibetan himself, but also because he understood that in Tibetan language we have precious knowledge codified. So for him it was very important to preserve this knowledge and preserve also the access to it. And Kaita is really a way to, is a method to promote this. So through the songs in Tibetan language, we get a glimpse into this world. So even for people who don't speak Tibetan, they can start singing and they can start following, they can read the transcription underneath it. So really slowly, they get familiar with the lexis and with the vocabulary and with some concepts. So it's a kind of joyful exposure to Tibetan culture and to Tibetan language.
The main criteria for the dances would be that in some way choreography communicates the meaning of the song. So many of Kaita dances would have so-called mudras or symbolic gestures that would express the meaning of the song. Yesterday we had a big event here in Wilson College. We offered a short performance, and then also we participated in circle dances together with the Tibetan community.
I had the honor to present also my academic work here at the International Seminar for Young Tibetologists at Oxford University. So I'm working academically also with Kaita. I come from a dance scholar's background. So this, for example, is my published dissertation in a book form. In my work, I try to bridge a little bit between the academic community and the Kaita community and the Tibetan community. So I focus on what I call Tibetanness in the dances and the songs, and I try to communicate this to a broader audience.
Also, you see our group is very international in Austria, in France, but also in the US, in Australia, so it is really international. Practical level, Kaita is a collection of almost 400 songs and more than 250 dances. These songs are divided in three collections. So this book has 108 songs with Tibetan lyrics, with phonetic transcription lyrics, so even those of us who do not read Tibetan can still follow the lyrics of the songs. And this is another book, which are the explanations for this first collection of 108 songs. But then more songs came, and you can find all the songs now online on kaita.com. So all 400 songs, Tibetan, phonetic transcription, translation, video of related dances. It is very much work in progress, so we're still editing Rinpoche's explanations, and we will be adding always more. So I hope that it will be interesting for you to have a look at kaita.com.